We are pleased to show you the 2025 4Runner. 4Runner durability is unbeatable. There are more 4Runners on the road today than any other midsize SUV. This vehicle has less than 300 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, power windows, security system. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.